Hey there, sports fans. Welcome back to our channel where we dive deep into the exciting world of sports betting. Today, we're going to talk about something important: how bookies cheat you out of your hard-earned money. This video will help you understand the tricks they use so you can protect yourself and make better bets. Stick around, because you won't want to miss this. Sports betting can be thrilling. The highs of a big win and the lows of a narrow loss make it a roller coaster of emotions. But what if I told you that sometimes the odds are stacked against you, and not just by the nature of the game? Yes, folks, some bookies play dirty. They have several tricks up their sleeves to ensure they always come out on top. Let's break down the top ways they do it. First up, bookies often manipulate the odds to make sure they make a profit no matter what. They use complex computer programs and insider knowledge to predict how bets will come in. If too much money is going to one outcome, they tweak the odds to balance their risk, making sure they always have the edge. Imagine you bet on your favorite team at 2-to-1 odds. Suddenly, those odds drop to 1.5 to 1 after you place your bet. You just got cheated out of potential profit. This is a common tactic bookies use to protect themselves and make sure they win more than they lose. Next, have you ever noticed small print and hidden charges on your betting slip? Transaction fees, handling fees, and even withdrawal charges can eat into your winnings. Bookies rely on these hidden fees to quietly pocket more of your money. It's like going to a store and finding out they charge you for the privilege of paying them. Outrageous, right? These fees might seem small, but they add up quickly, especially if you're betting regularly. Always read the fine print and know what fees you might be charged before you place a bet. Another common trick is delaying your payouts. Bookies might hold on to your winnings for days or even weeks, hoping you'll bet it again and lose. It's a tactic to keep your money in their hands longer. Patience is a virtue, but not when it comes to getting your winnings. Always check the payout terms before placing your bets. If a bookie is known for slow payouts, it might be best to take your business elsewhere. You deserve to get your winnings promptly and without hassle. If you're too good at betting, some bookies might limit your account or outright ban you. They don't like consistent winners because it cuts into their profits. It's called arbing, or arbitrage betting, and it's a sure sign the bookie is trying to protect their bottom line at your expense. Imagine being penalized for being good at what you do. Frustrating, right? This can be especially annoying for experienced bettors who have developed strategies to win consistently. If you find yourself being limited or banned, it might be time to find a new bookie who appreciates skilled bettors. And those juicy promotions and free bets, they often come with strings attached. High wagering requirements, minimum odds, and other conditions make it hard to actually benefit from these offers. If it sounds too good to be true, it probably is. Always read the fine print. Bookies use these promotions to lure you in. But once you're hooked, they make it difficult to actually win anything substantial. Make sure you understand all the terms and conditions before taking advantage of any promotion. So, how do you protect yourself? Here are a few tips. First, research your bookie. Look for reviews and see what other bettors have to say about their experiences. A bookie with a lot of negative reviews is probably not worth your time. Second, read the terms and conditions. This might seem boring, but it's important to know what you're agreeing to. Third, understand the odds. The more you know about how odds work, the better you can spot when something doesn't seem right. Finally, always bet responsibly. Never bet more than you can afford to lose, and don't let emotions drive your betting decisions. Knowledge is your best defense against these shady tactics. Now that you know their tricks, you can outsmart the bookies and enjoy sports betting with a fair shot. If you found this video helpful, smash that like button, subscribe for more tips, and hit the bell icon so you never miss an update. Thanks for watching, and may the odds be ever in your favor.